We have a house full of animals now. We have a bunny and a birdie. Pom Pom, your fur is so soft. Snuggle with this. I gave him a little stuffed animal. Look, watch this. Look at that. Isn't that cute? He's snuggling with it. Yeah, but he's now, I just fed him. I'm calling it a he. I don't know why. Hi, baby. I don't know what his name is yet. Hi, baby bird. Oh, that's the water. You gotta drink that soon. That's right. Just jump off the edge. You are crazy. Like this, you like that, huh? I just fed him. This is his crop right there. That's his crop where the food goes in. He's grinding his teeth, and that means that he's content when they grind, not his teeth, his beak, when he grinds it back and forth. Oh, he wants to go sleepy after he just ate. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. I might call him Runner, because watch, he keeps wanting to run to me, and he'll run right off my desk. See, watch this. Yeah. He's not even feathered. See? No feathers. He has a few. Come. No. Come. Let's show how you can kiss Ari. Yes, you want to come to me, huh? Boo boo. Hi. What's baby? You want to cuddle? You want to cuddle? Oh my goodness, where are you going? Any more? That's yummy, huh?